Hey besties, come with me to another trip to the Galleria and what? Shop safe? No, have more police officers here. That's exactly what you guys need. But of course, I had my Superman, my bodyguard, Mr. Chris, leading the way. First stop, my first home, Louis Vuitton. Walked in here, greeted so kindly as always. It was like walking in my closet again. So I just grabbed a few bags, and the first one I started off with was the Neverfull BB and this guitar strap. I even explained this to the essay that was there. Get rid of the guitar strap. She laughed. I believe she agreed. And that lady said I was so cute, so I had to thank her. My husband was like, babe, this is a no. Take the strap off of the handbag. It is taking away from the handbag. And he just really wasn't feeling it. So I decided to take the guitar strap off. And yes, it made it a little bit better. But I think the coin purse on the front of this small handbag, it just takes away. I would add a bag charm and that will be it. I really wasn't feeling it. If you have an monogram Alma BB in your collection, I wouldn't see the point of having this Neverfull BB and the Alma BB as well. I decided to go and reach for a Nano Alma. Everyone has been asking me my opinions and how I feel about this size. And I am here to say that it is a cute size. It is a cute handbag, but not cute enough for me to purchase. I love the cream color, so I reached for the cream. And I honestly love that LV decided to use silver hardware instead of gold. So I do see why everyone is going crazy about it. I decided to add the strap and it made a big difference. Again, I can see holding certain essentials, but not my cell phone being what I want the most, so I am going to pass. After trying two handbags, my husband asked me to try this Speedy. I think he was just going crazy over this Speedy because of the green color and I had on a green outfit. So I decided to try it for him and it was cute. But like I said, I am no longer purchasing cute handbags. I am going to kindly pass on this as well. I went in looking for the East-West on-the-go tote in reverse monogram. They didn't have any in stock. No other handbags in there gave me that wow effect, so I kindly left and went to the next store, which was Fendi. I absolutely love Fendi because of the fashion jewelry. I always go and look at the jewelry before looking at any handbags, and this guy was so rude. I'm so glad I didn't even have to deal with him, but the essay that was assigned to me was on point. Very respectful, very patient, just so accommodating and so nice. And I love that. And so my husband went crazy over these earrings. This really isn't my style. They were $1,300. And he was just like, babe, get those. They look so good on you. And I'm like, babe, it's not the earrings. It's me. I'm the one that looks good. I make these things look good. He had to understand that. You see, I was cute right here. But I was like, babe, this isn't me. I was just agreeing to everything he said, and I grabbed this bracelet, and my husband was like, no, you're not Mr. T. That is too big. It's too bold. And I was like, you're right. I am bold, so that fits me perfect. But I was like, let me take this off and try one of the mini handbags, and I was blown away. This was so cute. I see the girls using and wearing these on Instagram. If I pass on the Nano Alma, it was no need for me to get this as well. But I wanted to try in the leather. I was waiting on him patiently to bring me out a mini in leather. And of course, they had the cream color. So he brought me out another one. He said that holds both of my cell phones, but it's black and gold. I don't need another black and gold handbag in my collection. At this point, I was just defeated. There was nothing else in there that I wanted. I wanted to purchase something so bad. My hands were itching. I told my husband, I'm not going to force anything. Let's just go ahead, grab something to eat, and go home. Walking out, Miss Chanel in my face. You guys know the history between me and Chanel. I decided to walk in. They gave me an amazing essay, and she brought out the Trendy CC. I finally was able to walk in, and they had one in stock. When I tell you, my heart dropped to my stomach. My stomach was in knots. I don't know why I was so nervous. At this moment, I felt so good. She brought out this beautiful snow white and that chrome up against the white. I couldn't decide. At the moment, I was going crazy over the black, but the white is beautiful. She also brought out this beautiful pink. I'm not really a pink type of girl when it comes to handbags, but in this design, this Trendy CC, the pink was beautiful. Having all three in my face was so amazing. So I decided to grab the white and just soak up the moment. The white was a showstopper. I tried the pink as well, and I love the pink against my outfit. And I was thinking, yes, Marquita, you do need a pop of color, but I didn't know. I needed my besties. I wanted to go live so bad because I wanted you guys to pick out which bag I should choose. I went back to the black. I wanted to make sure that this was not the color. I understand I have so many black and gold handbags in my collection, but it is an everyday handbag. I decided to put all three back on the counter and just soak up the moment and just think, Marquita, which bag should you go for? Marquita, which bag should you go for? I didn't want anyone else's opinion at this time, and then she brought out this beauty. I believe she said this was with the cocoa handle. I'm not sure. You guys, I know, will tell me. The only reason why I wouldn't take this handbag is only because of the color. I have an on-the-go tote in this beautiful blue, and I know I wouldn't reach for it. If it was white, I think I would have grabbed it. This is amazing. I love this so much. This design, I can see me carrying every day. I couldn't decide, so I went back to the white again, guys. It was like a game. I couldn't control it. I couldn't control my feelings. I felt on top of the world. I honestly did. I couldn't make a decision. My husband had the card in hand. He was ready to purchase all of them for me, but I wanted to soak up the moment. I decided to grab both handbags and just model again for myself and just take my time. I didn't come there to actually purchase. I just wanted to see and just get a feel of how it is, just to have a Trendy CC in my hand, because I have been waiting a while just to see if they had one in stock. I reached for the pink again. As you guys can see, I never put that white Trendy CC down. I want to know, which one would you go for? If you have a Trendy CC in your collection, what color do you have? I was all smiles. I felt so good. I felt wealthy. I felt on top of the world. As you guys can see, I was at home. This was my place, and I was so happy to have a Trendy CC in my hand finally. I couldn't decide on what I wanted, but just know I was all smiles.